everyone, my name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I do have the January 2025 Sew Sampler to share with all of you. But I just want to mention as well that the Cupid box is out, which is the Fat Quarter Shop's limited edition Valentine's Day box that they put out every January. It is available for pre-order. However, I'm going to actually be getting mine tomorrow, I think, or maybe the next day. So they did ship out, but they are available. I just checked the website, so I will go ahead and link that down below for you. If you want to take your chance and wait to order until I post my video tomorrow, you can do that as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in this month's box. All right, so I really like this. This says Embracing New Possibilities, January 2025. I like the positivity in that messaging. Okay, so on the back, we do have 15% off all charm packs, and then we also have a charm pack chili shortcut quilt. There is a downloadable QR code there for the free quilt pattern. It's available for everybody, not just Sew Sampler members. And then there's also a YouTube tutorial, it looks like, as well. So go ahead and click those with your phone. Next, we have our foldable insert. This does tell you the items in this box as well as the cost of the items. I'll go ahead and tally that up at the very end to let you know what we saved with this box. All right, we have this first item. This is a bonus item. It says valued at $4.98. These are John James Gold and Glide Milliners. I've never heard of that before. Straw needle size 10. There's a 10 pack here. It says needleworkers love the way these needles glide through the fabric, and batting 18 karat gold, wow, is used to gild the needle for a smoother sewing experience. And they're actually assembled and inspected in England. Let me know if any of you have used these before. Like I said, I've never heard of this before. What is it used for commonly? What do you use it for? Okay, so I'm in love with this item. Just upon first glance here, this is the Hot Cross Buns English Paper Piecing Pack by Paper Pieces. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive. Okay, so that means you can't get it on Fat Quarter Shop's website. This does retail for this retails for $8.98. It says this all-in-one piece pack you need to whip up the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner by Paper Pieces, complete with precise instructions for cutting, basting, and sewing with paper pieces. It's the ultimate portable project. Grab the piece pack, pattern, fabric, needle, and thread, and you are good to go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so is this paper piecing? I guess so. Have we ever gotten paper piecing in Fat Quarter Shop's box? Because I don't think we have. Do any of you guys know that? Maybe put that down below too. I don't remember ever receiving paper piecing. Okay, so this is a little cute insert that comes with those paper pieces, and it's Learn to EPP, so it's kind of just an instructional here of how you go about doing that. I've covered this before, maybe a year ago. I've never tried English paper piecing. I have done foundation paper piecing, which I enjoy, so this will be interesting. So actually, I guess that's what those needles are for, that maybe they're commonly used with paper piecing. I always love when we get these spools of thread on a wooden spool. I just think they're so darling. 50 weight scantiful. Oh my goodness, this writing is so hard. Look at this writing. It's so hard to read. Okay, 50 weight scantif coconut milk 100% organic cotton thread. It retails for $8.48. It says born in the Netherlands. Okay, the Scanville organic thread is spinning its way into sewing rooms stitch by stitch, boasting the global organic textile standard, GOTS, and I can never say that, OECO-TEX certified for standard 100. Scanfill threads are crafted from the finest Supima organic cotton grown in the US, totally free of pesticides and chemicals, preferred by Paper Pieces for English paper piecing. It's low lint, silky smooth, super strong, and perfect for both machine and hand sewing. Interesting. Okay, so born in the Netherlands, however, this one was manufactured by Cotton grown in the US. Okay, very interesting history there. So this is extremely generous. We have 3 charm packs here. Oh my goodness. Okay, 3 charm packs. All right, this is Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray. So this retails for $35.94. Okay, and it says kick back and soak in the Sunday vibes with Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray from Moda Fabrics. This collection bursts with vibrant, modern hues, blooming florals, and playful geometric designs, sleek, stylish, and oh so delightful. These 3 charm packs of 5-inch squares will whip up more than just a snack-sized project. It's a full-on quilty feast. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through one of these. I'll go ahead and put the thing up here too for those of you who don't like me to, go through all the fabric. Let's see. Okay, I haven't eaten yet today, so I feel like I'm really shaky, but let's go through here. Hopefully it's not shaking too bad. So it looks like maybe there's doubles of everything. Nope, I lied. What do you guys think about these prints? that's kind of pretty. I wonder, is it like rainbow colors? These are really nice vibrant colors considering the state of the weather, you guys. It's 6 degrees, which is why I'm not filming down in my basement quilt studio. 6 degrees in Pennsylvania. Okay, so I feel like this is a first as well. Other than the block of the month that we get with these sew samplers, we also have 2 free patterns. That never happens. This is like, I don't know who's curating these boxes now, but this is like a whole brand new thing going on here. Okay, so we'll start with the one that we've already kind of shown the paper pieces for. So this is Hot Cross Buns. Okay, this is a table runner pattern, so sampler got it first. Interesting. Okay, so maybe this is actually going to be available on Fat Quarter Shop's website. It says it retails for $9.98, and it says if you've been wondering about English paper piecing, here's the perfect starter. Paper Pieces, the go-to for EPP patterns, English paper piecing patterns, tools and goodies, brings you the Hot Cross Buns table runner, a beginner-friendly EPP project. Watch their included Learn the EPP videos and follow the pattern to mix up a stunning ombre table runner using the charm packs in this box. You'll be stitching in no time. No sewing machine needed. All right, beautiful. Okay, so this measures at 15 inches by 49.25 inches. I've never made a table runner, so is that a good table runner size? Okay, this next pattern is really cute as well. I feel like it kind of reminds me of like a little picnic blanket or something. So this is a Fresh Start quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It retails for $9.98 as well, and it says kick off the year with a fresh start. This 9-patch quilt design is a breath of fresh air, quick and easy with a twist that adds a touch of elegance and energy. You're all set with some 5-inch squares and background fabric. It's perfect for using up scraps, but why not dive into the charm packs from this month's box? Give this quilt and your sewing year a fresh start. Limiting finishing kits are available at the Fat Quarter Shop, and as always, I will let you know down below if those are still available. So this is a 72-inch by 72.5 by 72.5 inch quilt. That's actually a great size. And this one does require the 3 charm packs. Okay, so if you use the three charm packs for this quilt, you won't be able to use them for your table runner. Here are those requirements then. Oh, it looks like there's 2 sizes. Okay, so you can also make a rectangular quilt here. 72.5 by, what does it say, 89.5? Yeah. Okay, next we have the Peaceful Baskets quilt along. I have to cover up the cutting instructions because I'm sure if you have those, you can probably figure this out by yourself. So this is block number 10, and it says feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the beautiful Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Baskets block patterns are available at the Fat Quarter Shop. I don't believe there's any kits available anymore, the fabric kits. This does retail for $4.98. Okay, I cannot wait for this one to be done. I am so sorry, you guys, but on to the next. All right, this is totally not my style. All right, so let's go ahead and add that up and see what we saved. So this box costs $29.95, and then shipping is about $5 depending on where you live in the US, unless you upgrade to UPS, which is $13 by the way if you want to upgrade, because USPS sometimes is really, you know, weird with shipping, especially if you have the Jersey distribution center coming your way. Word of advice. Anyway, so this box came to $83.32, which is a great way to start off January 2025. Kudos to you, Fat Quarter Shop. This is already my favorite box, maybe my top 5 actually in the 6 years that I've received this box. So we saved $48.37 with this box. So incredible. I loved everything in this box. I'm excited to try the paper piecing. I'd love to know what you guys thought about this box. If you're excited as I am, let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow for the Cupid box. Bye everybody, have a great day and enjoy your weekend. It's coming up soon. Bye everybody.